Creating a landing page in Hubspot is straightforward and effective for capturing leads or promoting specific offers. Here's a step-by-step guide. Navigate to the landing page tool. After logging into your Hubspot account, go to Marketing, Landing Pages in the main menu. Select Create Landing Page to start building a new page. Choose a template. Hubspot offers a variety of pre-designed templates for landing pages. Pick a template that fits your goal or start from scratch if you prefer. The template layout will help structure your page quickly. Customize content. Use HubSpot's drag and drop editor to add or adjust text, images, forms, and buttons. Be sure to include key elements like a compelling headline, descriptive text, and a clear call to action to engage visitors. Add the form for lead capture. Insert the form to collect visitor information like name, email, or any details relevant to your campaign. Customize the form fields based on what you need. Optimize and preview. Check mobile responsiveness, SEO settings, and preview the page to make sure everything looks correct. Publish and track. Once satisfied, hit publish. You can monitor the landing page's performance through HubSpot's analytics, allowing you to track visits, conversions, and more.